Well, we are going and steam some pak choy with tomatoes, and that will be going with shrimp in a cream coconut sauce. Pak choy is going with that, cream coconut sauce with a green salad, with the shrimp. Pak choy spring a lot of water, so that is all we need. We just need, and I put the tomatoes on the top. Put the tomatoes on the top. This is just color, green and red color to go with the shrimp. We put it in a little bit of, because pak choy is very bland, so we put it in a little seasoning like celery and a little chives. And we cover it and let it steam down, and then after we will put the balance of tomatoes on the top. So now I was saying that this is a nice contrast with the tomato, the red and the pak choy, but normally I normally just put a little dash of soya. Give it a real, because this is a Chinese thing, a Chinese veggie. Right. So this is the garlic there. Not much, because it's just one portion of shrimp. And a little celery. I put in a little tinge of curry. This is like a little teaspoon. So now this sauce I'm making here is a Creole coconut sauce. Creole coconut. So I put a little bit of mattox, because this comes as the Creole, for the Creole style. It doesn't cook with nothing else more than this type of ketchup. The ketchup. Right, so this is blended coconut. Okay. So now you see the color of it? It gives you a Creole style, a little curry style, and a little garlic. So you get all it in one. A little tinge of salt. And just because I put a little bit of the natural ketchup, you have to put a little tinge of brown sugar. Why I have to do that? Because of the acid. You know, get some people have acid with something. So this same sauce, when you take out this shrimp sauce, what we normally do, that we put additional things on it. We already cook the shrimp and make this as a Creole sauce on the side for shrimp. If somebody come and order shrimp, we use that sauce. Instead of to do it over again, we use that same sauce. Not with fish, because you know you don't want to contaminate. This is 1620. This is the grade of shrimp, 1620. We normally use 1620 or 1315. And 1315 is a little bigger grade, but this is all the shrimp that we normally purchase. These are the shrimp that they normally just export. So all my years in business, I always use this one, this size, or the 1315 shrimp. And shrimp only take 4 minutes for the most. 2 on one side and 2 on the other side. If you cook shrimp too much, more than that, you make it very rubbery. This is the finished product. We normally serve shrimp with Alfredo noodles, with vegetables. The vegetables consist of pak choy and tomatoes and a green salad with Parmesan cheese.